Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool amazing product right here, and basically what this is a portable, foldable power bank that you can use however you guys want to and wherever you guys want to as well. And they call this the Anker 622, and this is a brand new product that is under the MagGo series. So I'm actually opening this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you guys can see they provide you guys a little piece of paper right here. And basically what's included right here is a feedback card, and they provide you guys the user manual as well. If you can see right there, you can definitely see the user manual right there. So if you guys want to learn more about the product in terms of how to actually use it, you can definitely refer to this user manual right here. And then here's more information about the product as well. And then right here we have the actual product. And right here you can see we do have the cable. So let's take everything out. So the cable that's included for you guys right here is a USB-C to USB-C cable. So you definitely get a fast charging speed on here. And then right here we have the actual device. So it's all nicely wrapped. But I'm actually take off the wrapper first. Alright, so once we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like right here. So you can see they do have the MagSafe charger option right here, which is also the wireless charging option right here. And right here we do have an indicator light. And we got feel the material on here actually feels really smooth and really nice. I definitely love the design of the product a lot. If you guys flip it to the other side right here, this is basically what the back part looks like right here. And then see this part right here is actually really unique. It has a stand option. So if you guys push it down like this, you guys can actually use that stand option like this if you guys want to, which is pretty cool, if you can see. So that way when your phone or your product is actually charging, you guys can actually watch stuff on here at the same time, which is pretty cool. And you can definitely put it this way, or you can put it this way as well. And then once you guys are done using it, you guys can push it back like that. And it has a pretty strong magnet in the back. So basically the way how you guys open it is by using this option right here to actually push it down. Just like that. And you see the inside right here, this is basically actually looks like inside right here. And then here is basically what the bottom part looks like. So we do have a power button right here to activate it. And then right here we have a USB-C option. So definitely plug that in to actually recharge the device. So you can definitely use it as an input or output. And right here we do have the indicator light to show you guys the battery percentage on here. But that is basically everything that's on the power right here. Let me actually test it out to show you guys when actually it works first. Alright, so I have my iPhone right here. So we just put it in the back right here. Alright. So you can see it definitely does work. And when you guys look at the magnet on here, it's actually really strong. When you guys actually try to pull it away, it took me a little bit of strain to actually pull it away, if you can see. It's actually really strong. So it definitely has a really strong magnet on here. And like I mentioned, if you guys want to charge it this way, you definitely can. But let's say if you guys want to turn it this way, you can definitely do that as well, if you can see. And since this product is a MagSafe charger, if you guys want to charge like an AirPods device, you definitely can. If you can see, it definitely does work. And while you guys are charging this device right here, if you guys want to charge another device at the same time, you definitely can as well. So let's say if I plug this part in right here, and if I want to charge my iPhone right here, that works as well. So you can definitely use the product to actually charge two devices at the same time, which is pretty cool. And obviously, if you guys want to charge the power bank while charging your other device at the same time, you can definitely do that as well. And the battery capacity that's on here is 5000 mAh, which will give you guys one full charge on your iPhone, which is pretty cool. But definitely really cool how it gives you guys the option to use a wire option to actually charge your phone. Or if you guys want to use the wireless option, you can definitely do that as well. Alright, so here is another point of view of what the product looks like. Let me show you guys how it works. So if we open up the back part right here, you could basically use the kickstand option like this. And that is basically actually looks like when you guys use it. And when you guys put your phone on here, you guys can see how it works. So you can definitely use it in this position right here, or if you guys want to turn it the other way. If you guys want to use it this way, you can definitely do that as well. And you see how it actually has a really good support on here as well. So you don't have to worry about the phone dropping anytime soon because it has a really strong magnet on here. And basically when you guys are done using it, you guys can close it back up like this. And then you see how thin the product is on here. And even for the bottom part right here, they do have a very smooth material on here that also have like that non-slip material as well. So once you guys put it onto the table, it's actually harder for it to move around, which is pretty nice. So if you guys want to do wireless charging like this, you can definitely do that as well. And also if you guys want to use it to charge like the brand new AirPods, you can definitely do that as well if you can see how strong the magnet is on here. And when you guys plug in the cable to actually charge the power bank right here, you can see how it just pops on the indicator right here to show you guys the battery percentage on here. So right now it's almost close to halfway charged, but it's not fully charged. So you definitely need to let it fully charge first before you guys use it. And when you guys look at the actual product itself, it's so thin and so slim. So if you don't put this in your pocket when you're traveling, you definitely can. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Now to come unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this part, I would definitely have to say that it's worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are trying to look for a power bank that has everything on here. In terms of the MagSafe charger option, they can also do wireless charging on here that has the wired option for you guys to actually charge another device at the same time. And also, if you guys want the option of how you guys actually use a stand option right here, if you guys want everything that I mentioned on here and so much more, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.